Do you want to live more, love more, and to be loved more? If yes, you are at the right place then. According to a recent study by the Stanford University, the keto diet can vastly aid in reducing the probability of an early death. Now, that's a big deal. According to the study, the keto diet has shown several incredible health benefits, resulting in increased longevity and a reduced risk of early death. And today, in this video, we are going to give you a walkthrough on these top 5 health benefits of keto diet, which make keto diet help to avoid the untimely death for you. And you may regret missing any piece of this vital information. So, we highly recommend to watch the complete video. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. So friends, here are 5 of those keto diet incredible health benefits. Starting with benefit number 5, enhanced brain health and neuroprotection. The keto diet plays a vital role in enhancing the brain energy metabolism. The brain, a critical organ, primarily relies on glucose for fuel. However, in the absence of significant carb intake on keto diet, it turns to ketone bodies, mainly BHB, which is produced in the liver from fatty acids. Research indicates that ketones are not just an alternative, but a more efficient fuel for the brain. They provide more energy per unit of oxygen consumed compared to glucose. This energy efficiency helps stave off age-related neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. These diseases include epilepsy, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, keto diet aids in reduction of oxidative stress, resulting in vastly helping you in maintaining a strong brain health, thus ensuring a long, healthy life. Moving higher on criticality, benefit number 4, blood sugar control and diabetes prevention. Well, apart from brain health, keto diet helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Fluctuating blood sugar levels, often due to excessive carbohydrate intake, can be detrimental over time. These fluctuations can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. By drastically cutting carb intake, the keto diet stabilizes blood sugar levels, thus reducing the risk associated with its chronic elevation. And this is not just all. The keto diet, by reducing circulating insulin levels, enhances the insulin sensitivity. This is paramount, as insulin resistance is linked not just to diabetes, but it is also related to heart disease and early mortality. Now, benefit number 3, improved heart health. Did you know? Keto diet plays a vital role in cardiovascular health. Here, one of the notable benefits of the keto diet is its impact on the lipid profile. Reduction in carbohydrate intake leads to decreased triglycerides, which are fats in the bloodstream, often associated with heart disease. Simultaneously, there's often an increase in HDL, the good cholesterol, which removes potentially harmful cholesterol from where it doesn't belong. Furthermore, the keto diet vastly helps in blood pressure control, thus safeguarding you against strokes and heart ailments. Moving on, benefit number 2, chronic inflammation reduction. Now, this is a very critical benefit of the keto diet. Chronic inflammation is linked to many age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. The keto diet, through its profound metabolic shifts, reduces markers of systemic inflammation. The production of ketones, especially BHB, helps in this regard. Finally, benefit number 1, weight management and obesity prevention. Keto diet aids in promotion of fat metabolism. In a state of ketosis, the body becomes adept at burning fat stores for energy. This not only aids in weight loss, but also ensures that weight once lost isn't easily regained. This is especially critical, given the link between obesity and numerous health complications. Plus, the satiety induced by keto diet aids in caloric reduction without the conscious effort, thus further supporting weight management and helping you have a nice, long and healthy pleasurable life. As we have learnt till now, the keto diet presents a multifaceted approach to health and longevity. But it is important to note that these are generalized findings and recommendations. And, before making any specific change to your diet, consulting with your healthcare professionals is imperative, ensuring your safety and efficacy in the pursuit of longevity. So, do hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to Shape Squad now, as we'll be bringing more on your vital health and fitness. See you in our next video.